Hey there, Kellar Lawrence. April is here, the month of April Fools and Tax Day. Paying taxes isn't the issue, it's about making sure they're spent right. But let's move on to happier thoughts like the day that you find your dream home. That is a day worth celebrating. And that's where we step in with all of our risk removal systems. Ever heard of our guaranteed sale program? Your home sold at a price agreeable to you or we'll buy it. And our VIP buyer satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with your home purchase, we will buy it back or sell it for free. Plus, our exclusive seller agreements come with some fantastic guarantees. Trust me, these guarantees make a big difference. If you're new here, you'll see we love giving back. We are proud supporters of Greenwood Community Home Repair, formerly known as Greenwood Area Habitat for Humanity. Excuse me. Last year, we donated over $25,000 to this incredible cause. Their mission is to restore vibrant neighborhoods by financing and performing repairs on the homes of those most in need. This year, our goal is to still hit $25,000. And we achieve this by donating a portion of our earnings from home sales to Greenwood Community Home Repair. Anyway, they do amazing work by repairing and improving existing homes throughout Greenwood County. I bet you know someone who has benefited from their efforts. They rely on donations. So when I say your referrals help families in the community, I mean it. So, do you know of anyone that might be thinking about buying or selling a home? Send them our way. Not only will they get our top-notch service and guarantees, but they'll also be supporting a fantastic cause in the area. So, if you have someone looking to make a move, just give me a call or a text at 864-942-8991. Have an awesome day.